Hi everyone. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Rizky Baringbing and I'm from Digital Office Administration Study Program, Jakarta State University. Right now, I explain my internship report on the arsip and the documentation at National Institute of Public Administration. And now, let's start the internship background. Internship can be used by students to apply knowledge that has been learned during lecture or get new things that are not obtained during lecture. Fieldwork practice can crack human resource who have soft skill and hard skill in order to adapt in the world of work with rapid technology development. Therefore, Jakarta State University open a will work practice program for the digital administration study program as a program that must be followed by students. Practice is the performing apprenticeship on the one government institute that is National Institute of Public Administration. During apprenticeship, practice is the place in the substance of receipt and documentation in accordance with the will of study program at the Digital of Administration. It is hoped that practice will enhance insight, skill, and preparation in the workforce in the accordance with the Digital Office Administration. Institute or company. Name of institute, National Institute of Public Administration. Address, Veteran Street, number 10, Subdistrict Gambir, Central Jakarta, Special Capital, Region of Jakarta. I performed a 6-month apprenticeship at the National Institute of Public Administration from 6 June to 13 November. I worked from 7:30 to 3:30 in afternoon from Monday until Friday. Now let's move about the institute. The field of business conducted by the National Institute of Public Administration, which is this. First, researching, reviewing, and implementing ASN management innovation in accordance with policy needs. Second, fostering and organizing company-based ASN employee education and training. Third, plan and supervise the education and training needs of ASN employees national. Number 4, develop standard and guidelines for the implementation of education, functional technical training and current levels, as well as pro- providing accreditation and certification in the tier field by influencing relevant ministry and institute. Number 5, provide certification of graduation of participant in education and training. Number 6, fostering and organizing the education and training of public policy analysts, and the last, fostering functional position in the field of education and training. Institute vision as a world-class learning institute that is built to be the main driver in realizing world-class government to support the vision of the developed Indonesia that is sovereign, independent, and personality based on the mutual cooperation. Institute mission uh, first realizing superior apparatus human resource through police, coaching, and implementing company development with international standards. Second, releasing quality state administration police through event-based police study and the provision of competent police analysts. Third, realizing quality state administration innovation through the development of innovation models and strengthening cap capacity and culture of innovation. And last, promote high performer learning organization through the support of quality and electronic based service. Organizational structure of the institute. The archive and documentation subsystem is one of the subsystem of the law and public relation division. When conducting the internship, practicants are placed in the subsystem. The function of the archive and documentation subsystem include number one, conducting feelings correspondency. Number two, coaching active dynamic archive management in work units. Number three, supervise internal archive. Number four, manage inactive record. Number five, managing library collection. Number six, the use of collection of library service. And number seven, managing document. Work implementation. During doing an internship in the archive and documentation, proctor have duty as follow. Number one, taking notes on the letter form. The work done during the internship is to record letters on delivery person. This is useful as proof that the letter has been delivered or processed. Number two, list letter out into the control card data through Microsoft Excel. The next text of inputting outgoing letters into the control card data is one of the tasks performed by me. This is useful for know the number of outgoing letters that have been processed. Number three, send incoming letter to the division of the National Institute of Public Administration. The next job that I did was to deliver incoming letter to the division at internship site. The incoming letter delivery process can be through an application in person. Number four, giving out number and barcode on the outgoing letters. The next job I did was to provide classification number and barcode for outgoing letters. The provision of the classification number and barcode made by me is intended as proof that the letter is authentic from National Institute of Public Administration. Number five, filling copy of outgoing letters. I perform text activity in the terms of archiving. The filling done by me is by filling a copy of outgoing letters. Archiving of outgoing letters is done using a date system and accordance with the number of outgoing letters. And six, documenting meeting and seminar. The text that I do is documentation. This documentation aims to devote picture when there are seminars and meetings. This is useful as evidence of activity carried out. The evidence will be stored in the status archive. In this slide, I wanna explain about obstacle at work. Number one is the internet less stable. The obstacle cause the work done by employees and me to become accumulate as in trying to give out a number to outgoing letters because of the bad internet. It could not be done. Second is office equipment that is not fully operational. Office equipment that did not operate massively result in the work done by me and my employees being ineffective. And third, not quit memories regarding to outgoing letters classification number. This is obstacle result in the process of giving classification number and barcode taking longer. And the next slide, how to overcome obstacle. The solution to a stable internet link is a regular check of internet connection, as well as check of computer link with internet cable. And the number two, office equipment that is fully operational. The solution for office equipment that is not fully operational is by conducting periodic check-up and by conducting temperance on office equipment. And last, relate solution have not yet been memorized the classification code by reading again and again the classification code found in the manual and eating food containing vitamin. In this slide, I wanna explain about gaps or knowledge and skill. And during my apprenticeship, I filled in gap between the knowledge and science gained in the college and the implementation of the internship, for example. First, classification code number and barcode on outgoing letters. At college, I revised the science regarding the conferencing of numbers seen only in the matter of letters. But during implementation in the internship, I will also have to look through the content of the letter. At college, I was not thought the letter should be given a barcode. Second is office equipment that is not fully operational. When I was in college, I was taught that office equipment is important in the work process, but its implementation at the internship site, office equipment does not operate optimally, which cause the work process to be disrupted. And last, documentation. At the university, it was never taught how to document during meeting or seminar. In the next slide, I wanna to explain about contribution. Contribution made during the internship, namely, first, create a list of outgoing mail received. Number two, doing receiving outgoing letters in the filing cabinet. And last, performing classification number and barcode ongoing letters. In conclusion, first, practice may know how to interact with superiors and position yourself with your other employees. Second, practice can better prepare to enter the real work world. And the third, so practice has the most biblical definition of the work to be done. Number four, practicant can hone the skill and the science accurate during college years in the practice. Number five, practice is placed on the substation and do the appropriate work done by the lecture run by the digital office administration. And last, implementation of apprentice is useful to establish communicative responsibility and work intern who has idea that can be realistic when doing the job. In the next slide, recommended the Faculty of Economy. First, the faculty was in cooperation with the National Institute of Public Administration to make it easier for student to conduct apprenticeship. Second, the faculty maintains regular practice for economic students, especially the for study program for digital office administration. Number three, the faculty gave recommendation as well as direction or on apprenticeship to prospective student. Four, it is recommended to provide training and engage in activities encourage students to become apprentices before beginning the apprenticeship. The National Institute of Public Administration. First, the agency is in a cooperative relationship with the Faculty of Economy, Jakarta State University, so that it can screen prospective work who are competent in the field of work. Second, the agency gives information regarding the job desk to the full-time intern. Number three, routine office equipment to keep the staff comfortable and the work being done as answer. And last, the agency accepted the intern suggestion and input and use them as an object of job evaluation so that the work was more successful. And all about my internship report at Arsip and Documentation National Institute of Public Administration. Thank you for watching.